Hi, my name is Sid Damala. Welcome to my Turn Project video. So my game is called Animal Survival. It is a tower defense game similar to Plants vs. Zombies and other tower defense games like Bloons Tower Defense. There are three types of enemies: monsters that eat grass, zombies that eat fruit, ghosts that haunt the barn. And you want to protect these three sources with the animals that remain surviving in the world: dogs, goats, cows, alligators, gorillas, and lions. Each has their own respective weapon that inflicts damage and has its own speed. Bones, horns, milk, water, bananas. The lion doesn't actually have a weapon, but it physically moves onto neighboring cells and inflicts damage for every second that it makes contact with an enemy. The following levels will be a little bit shorter than usual for demonstration purposes. Usually they last around 25 to 30 seconds long. Um, and you use coins in order to buy these animals. They all cost a difference in price. So we're going to start with level 1. Level 1 only has monsters, level 2 will only have zombies, and level 3 will only have ghosts. From then on, you will see all types of enemies, and they will start to increase in their speed and their spawn rate. Another key thing to notice is that levels 1 to 3 will have very easy boards, and that is to sort of decrease the difficulty initially. But as the levels progress, they will no longer have those easy boards that have these long paths, because the longer the path, the more time the user has to kill these enemies. All these different tracks are randomly generated using backtracking, so that the user can't, completely master the different types of paths. So level 3 comes. Now we have ghosts. They are the strongest enemy. I'm going to employ a couple cows. I don't know if this will actually get the job done simply because ghosts are so powerful, but hopefully it does, and we'll see what happens. If the ghost does manage to come to the barn, it will start to inflict damage. So as you can see, 30, 29, 28. I think in this case, maybe I should have put my cows at a different place, or maybe put them in earlier, because it looks like the barn is going to run out of health, and now the barn is destroyed. I just lost one of my sources. Final level that I will show for this video is level 4. Here all types of enemies are introduced, and they slightly increase in speed and their spawn rate. As you get to level 10 and level 20, the difference in sort of speed and spawn rate gets more apparent. So yeah, for now I'm going to stop this video because I'm running out of time, but thank you so much for taking the time to watch my Turn project. I really appreciate it. Thanks.